Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Maono podcasting microphone kit. There is an image of what this particular microphone kit is supposed to look like. Talk about the features here. So it's written over here: large capsule with plated membrane, cardioid polar pattern, ultra low noise circuit design, state-of-the-art surface mount electronics, built-in high-resolution sound chipset, stable metal boom arm system with pop filter, boom arm with 2-axis swivel mount for accurate positioning, compatible with Windows and Mac. Setup is so easy, just connect and go. So this is basically the entire setup kit. You can see everything that you need over here. That includes a shock mount, the pop filter, the vertical reach, the USB Type-C connector, and a desk mount. So let's open this box and take a quick look inside. So this is some silica gels. This is a thank you note from Maono. Show you, and this is the user manual for this particular podcast audio kit. Now let's take a look at each of these components. This is the pop filter for the mic. This is the USB-A connecting cable for this particular stand. This is the shock mount for the mic. And this over here is the mic and the windshield that comes with it. I'll just put it on like so. You can see. Okay, this is a cable tie for tying up this particular cable when you attach it, when you set it up. This is the boom arm with 2-axis swivel mount. You can see it comes loaded with these 4 springs for very accurate and precise positioning. And finally, you have this desk mount. So the idea is that you should be able to mount it on any study desk or computer desk even. So let's quickly set this up and show you what the final output is going to look like. There I fixed the mic and the pop filter, there you can see. You can adjust it accordingly, according to your preference. I'll tighten it a little more so that it doesn't move as much. And yeah, so now we have the wire. So the wire should connect at the very end. Let's take a gander at the desk mount. So the desk mount, so this is the variable part. This is where the desk will go in, but the stand goes in this hole right over here. So I have to unscrew and loosen it a bit. Let's do that fast. And now we put this inside and tighten it back up. So the setup is more or less complete. As you can see, you have the pop filter, you have the mic, this 2-axis swivel mount is also ready, and so is the desk mount. Now what's left is adding the wire to it. So all you have to do is basically attach this particular jack. There you can see this particular jack goes to the mic side. It gets attached to the mic like so. Yeah, it will get attached over here. You can see this. There you go, and boom. That's the wire. And the other end of the wire is this USB-A connector. If you have a power brick, you can connect it directly to a power outlet, or you can connect it to a laptop when you want to do a laptop or desktop when you want to do your podcast. And so that's there. And you also have a cable tie for when you want to tie this particular cable up in whichever way you want to. So I'm going to tie it up over here for now, just for the sake of this video. This is what you find inside the Maono podcasting microphone kit. Thank you for watching.